Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the user profile in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. To view the user profile, select your initials in the top right corner of the homepage. You can access the user profile at any time while using the tool. This information is directly from NCID and cannot be edited directly in the Blueprint tool. To view their role, the user must select the user profile at the top right of the screen and select My Roles. Please note that the My Roles table will look different depending on which role you are assigned. If the user is assigned a local government role, this is where the assigned roles will be. I cannot change or remove myself from the administrator role, but I can be removed as an administrator by another user. Only the NCDQ, local, or delegated authority administrators will be able to administer user roles. This ensures that each jurisdiction always has at least one assigned administrator within the tool. If the user is assigned to a delegated authority, this is where the details of the role will be. As seen in the My Roles table, I have not been assigned a delegated authority role. To be assigned a new role, we will select Request Access and type in the name of the jurisdiction we would like to be assigned to. This is where the names and emails of the jurisdiction's administrator or administrators will be listed. From here, you would reach out directly to the jurisdictional administrator to request access. This will be further explained in the Local Government Administration video. That's it. You've just learned how to view your roles, request additional access, and identify the administrator to contact for further assistance in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint 2. For more training videos, visit us at youtube.com/@ncdeq.